is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video where we're gonna be diving into the Tundra and finally getting to deep cleaning this thing. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to time lapse, or video lapse, or however you want to call it, the process of essentially stripping most of the interior. So we're gonna start tonight. Alright guys, we are all done with the inside, or at least this is as much time as I want to put into it, time and money, because any more time and money than this and I might as well have bought a new carpet. But I think we did make really good progress. All the major stains are lifted. They're still somewhat remnant, every now and then, but for the most part this is a pretty clean truck. I also wiped down everything along the guardrails and the insides of the doors. This in here is just so much dirt that yeah, it's just it's really tough to get it all out. But at least we did get some of the color back out of it. Like, it's starting to look more gray than it did brown, so at least we did make somewhat of an impact here. Now if I would have gone ahead and bought like a water extractor of rental from Home Depot, all in with everything I have here, I might as well have just bought the carpet. So yeah, like I said, cutting it off here, this is as much investment as I like to put in it, and I think this is a really good starting place. And I know that at least it's all sanitized across the board. because I hit it entirely with that carpet cleaning stuff, just all across the board with the foamer. So at this point, it's looking pretty good. Not a night and day transformation, but then again, it wasn't like that horrible. It's just pretty hard to reverse 20 years of trucking, but I think we at least took off maybe like 10 years, maybe 5-10 years. So we're gonna keep going now, and I already have these the interior carpets set up over here. But once again, I don't want to put too much time investment in this stuff because it could be replaced really easy, but oh my god. Say it, guys, but I was trying to be proactive, and your boy found something pretty wrong, which yeah, totally threw me off, and I just kind of stopped doing all this stuff with cleaning. Unfortunately, I had a feeling about the radiator. I checked the fluid the other day. Didn't really look like there was much at all. I just topped it off. It was very windy, so at first I thought that I had like blown a bunch of fluid everywhere. But then I turned on the car, and unfortunately it just started gushing from the radiator. Not like gushing, but leaking from the radiator. So yeah, looks like we got something to do very, very soon on the truck. But other than that, she still runs. It cut me off there, but I will catch you guys on the next one. Obviously, I'm a little bit bummed, and I do apologize that I didn't get to kind of get the last shots of seeing the interior put together and like the before and after. Hopefully I still am able to piece that together. Hopefully I did. Hopefully you already saw before and afters as we were going through. But like I said prior, not a huge difference back and forth, but not having dust bombs flying everywhere in the front area is really good. We definitely got a ton of that up, and then I know for a fact everything else around that driver's area, besides that driver's area, is super clean to the point where I would eat off of it, but I probably wouldn't. But yeah, it looks all right everywhere else. It's just that front driver's area, understandably, had a lot of traffic and a lot of work boots in its lifetime. So I think that's it for the interior though. I'm not gonna spend any more time on it. As I said earlier, like if I spend too much time on this, I should have just bought a brand new carpet. So I think that's it for now for the interior. We'll move on to getting the truck mechanically sound, because apparently it's not. So that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.